I'll love you for 1,000 more.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tana and welcome to another video. Now today's video is a makeup tutorial. I have done previously a summer makeup look which is sweat proof and very minimal as well. But today's video is a little hatke usse because it's a summer makeup look, but it's appropriate for everyone, whether you're a teenager or whether you're a younger person. Anyone can do this makeup. It's literally a makeup that I would do to my college. And yeah, I hope it's something that interests you. So it's a beginner friendly makeup look, but it's summer appropriate, so it's a summer makeup look. And it's a very sun-kissed look, something that you can carry everywhere, whether it's day or even at night time. Now you can see I have no makeup, it's just skincare. And yeah, I want to show you guys how I look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So you can see I've already prepped my skin and skincare is done. So we will begin with the makeup now. A tip, never do makeup without skincare. Make sure you have moisturized enough. So we will begin with the first step. We are skipping primer because primer is basically to set your skin for makeup. And we have already moisturized, so काम वही करेगा. Plus, since it's very minimal makeup look for summers, we don't want foundation or we don't want BB cream also, because we want this makeup to be very light and something that feels so light on your skin that it's completely okay. Now this is the first thing that we will be using. It's a concealer. It's the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. Now I have started using this recently and I think it's among my favorite. Like, I have been using Maybelline since a while, but I was using the Fit Me range. Now this is something that I tried recently. My shade is in the shade Light and I'll link everything so you can check it out. So let's start with the concealer itself. So the good thing about this concealer is that you don't have to like blend it from your hands. You can also blend it from this. So मैं तो इसी को निकाल के थोड़ा सा blend करी. You can see it's coming out. So you just have to twist it and this will come out. I'm applying it on the corner of my lips also because it's a darker region, and you blend everything once I like set it up. So concealer is done and you can see a visible difference ki dark circles come dikh rahe hain. Now that concealer is done, the next step is face powder, just to make sure that it's all set. And since summers makes your face sweaty, it will make sure ki sweat na aaye zyada and the concealer stays intact. Using the Maybelline Fit Me powder as well, and I'm using brush for this. You can just gently dab everything and just set it all. Okay, the base is done and I'm loving the base. Now this is the concealer that I've used first time and I honestly think this is great. Now this was I already mentioned, Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I can see that it's actually great. I think it's becoming my favorite. Now let's move to the next thing. The base is set using just concealer and powder. For the next thing, we want to pop out the eyes a little bit. So I am using the Maybelline City Mini Palette and this has to be my favorite purchase. It's my second palette in the same thing, the same shades and everything. And if you have seen my previous makeup videos, you would know that I use like very neutral colors on my eyes because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो शाम neutral में है ना, it's not in the darker shades or smoky eyes or anything like that. So I am using this shade over here because I want this look to be a little sun-kissed. So this shade works good for that. So I'm using my fingers. Again, you can use anything you want. I'll just take thoda sa and I'll blend it all on my... I'm starting from my inner lid so you can see thoda sa. It's so pigmented. I really like this. You can see difference how this looks and how this looks. So I already pop up ho chuki hai thodi si, so we'll apply it on the other side also. Okay, eyeshadow done, and you can see it's a very neutral look, a very minimal look. And next, to pop the eyes a little more, we are using mascara. Now I'm using the Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal, and this is smudge proof, which I love about it because summer's here, so you need something which is smudge proof and waterproof. Now this Lash Paradise Mascara is enough for just one coat, I feel. You can see the difference when I apply it, so let's do it. See the difference with mascara. Now I think mascara is such a game changer in your look because instantly ना ऐसे eyes pop out हो जाती है, and अगर मेरा favorite makeup product बोलो आप, तो it has to be mascara and blush. So yes, mascara has to be the #1 thing in your makeup kit. Even if you are not doing anything, just apply a little bit of mascara and you'll look very different from what you're looking. So the mascara has a very natural finish, and we are done with mascara. Now this is a perfect like college makeup ke liye because you don't want it to be very out loud also, but something on your face to look presentable. So this is perfect for college. This mascara. Now almost all of it is done, but we want some final touches. So we are using a lip and cheek tint. Now this is the Just Herbs lip and cheek tint that I have recently started using, and instead of blush, I think tints are very much summer appropriate because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि tints ज़्यादा time तक टिकते भी हैं in summer. So this is the lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs. Now I'm gonna take some in my hand and थोड़ा सा I'll dab it and then I'll blend it all. Okay, the base and lashes and cheeks, everything is done. The last step is lips. Now I will go for a neutral shade. Now this is a Faces Canada lipstick. मैं बहुत ज़रा सी लगाऊंगी. I'll just touch it up and I'm gonna dab it so that थोड़ा over ना हो. Remember, we want this look to be very minimal and neutral, so this much lip shade works. Final touch to this look is, if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with lip glosses. Now this has to be the most affordable lip gloss. It's from Swiss Beauty, and I think they have just one variation only. This is a very basic clear lip gloss and super affordable, plus the quantity is good as well. Now I love glossy lips, and even though it's summer, but I think that gloss looks very nice, especially जब sun-kissed होता है, so you can feel and see everything and it's look very pretty. So we're gonna apply some lip gloss. Oh my god, it's so pretty, literally. Glossy lips for the win. So the makeup look is ready. Let's show you the final look. Guys, this is the final look and I'm honestly loving it. The base looks so good. I think the concealer worked its magic because I'm trying it for the first time and it looks so nice. The final makeup. A close-up for you guys, and I think this looks so good. To be the perfect college makeup look, I can say, or workplace makeup look if you're planning to, you know, do summer makeup, or even for your shoots and all. Like I do Instagram photos ka shoot वगैरह, and this looks gorgeous, very sun-kissed, very natural, and you don't want it to be over top. This has to be your makeup look. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Until next video, bye, take care.